I made over 3,600 over the past 5 days. Stock market is going up. Is this the market bottom? How do we know that it's a market bottom? Is there any chance that stock market could go down again due to President Trump's in the next 5 trading days? What is the probability? And that's what we are gonna talk about today. And at the end of the video, you're gonna know what's the chance that this stock market already bottom, or what's the chance of it go back down again, and why this stock market back up right now. So S&P 500 is up 2.13% on Friday, March 14th. The past 5 days is down 1.16%. 1 month, 8%. So Nasdaq 2.6% up. That's big jump. 5 days 0.48% negative. So we don't even notice that it went down, right? Because it jumped. So that's why it's very important. Never miss the 10 best trading days of the year. Whatever happens, the stock market goes down a lot. It's usually followed by the 10 best trading days, right? So if you miss out, let's say you sold your stock at the bottom, you will never make it up the whole year. Is if you do not miss 10 best trading days, it's better than investing the rest of the year, right? And if you miss 10 best trading days, you could be investing the rest of the year, but your return may not be good. But stay, if you don't invest at all, it's gonna be the worst. So the first one, never miss the 10 best trading days and investing the whole years. Second one, yeah, miss the 10 best trading days, but investing the whole year. The third worst outcome will be not investing at all. Okay, so look at the past 1 month, 11.41% down. Yeah, so we still have 9 more days to go to make it up and probably exceed. And Dow Jones up 1.65%. 5 days 2.4% down. 1 month 6.89%. So the stock market is very decisive right now. You see, it's up. It's up. Usually, it's not gonna be up. It's gonna be up only about 0.5%, 0.8%. So but if it's up more than 2%, we can say it's very decisive. The buyers won this day. Okay, the Russia said the same. 2000, the small cap index, 2.53% up. 5 days. Yeah, you don't even notice that it's down a lot over the past 5 days because this one day make up most of the losses over the past 5 days. 1 month, yeah, we still have a way to go. Maybe the next 9 trading days, 9 best trading days will make it up for that. So what happened? Why did the stock market jump? It's because I said on March 14th that stock market could go up in this video. You can go and check it out. Just before stock market went up, I made predictions. And second reason is because Democrat Schumer backed Republican spending bill to avert shutdown. So there's no government shutdown on Friday. So everybody was happy. It's a relief. A stock market was so oversold that everybody any good news is a good news for the stock market to go up. So yeah, and also they don't want to shut down the government because President Trump and Elon Musk gonna blame Democrats for all the government shutdown, and also the Elon Musk Trump's gonna may cut important spending to get back at Democrats if they shut down the government, right? So they don't want to give President Trump and Elon Musk a reason to slash spending that are important government services, right? So that was a good news. It's because of him the stock market went up. Yeah, it just totally blew up on one day, and there is one concern that we need to be worried about. In the spending bill, Republicans put in the provisions prohibiting lawmakers from forcing a vote to terminate the president's border emergency and resulting tariffs until at least next year, January 2026. So we could be seeing some more tariff until then. you know. So don't worry. I think the stock market has bottom, and 99% chance that it has bottom. Stock have bottom on March 12th, the past 20 years. And there's another indicator that is more reliable than this. There is risk. You see, risk spiked on which date? August 5th. August 5th, and then after that, September 8th, September 6th, August 5th, September 6th, and December 18th. Let's go look at that. August 5th, stock market bottom. You see that? You see that? Stock market bottom. Then September 6th, see? Stock market bottom. Jump back. Then after the December 18th, you see? Stock market jump back again. So what is the chance probably that stock market could go down again in the next 5 trading days due to President Trump? I think it's 20% probability. I would say if it's not President Trump, if it's somebody else, I would say probability is maybe 10%, maybe 5%. But because of President Trump's, he can be quite chaotic and he can post tweet anytime. So the chance of stock market going back down is 20% probability. But good news is 80% chance that the next 5 trading days will be up. That's what I think. So what do you think about the stock market? If you have any question, comment down below. If you want to get started in stock investing, go to my channel, Master Rich Stocks Option Crypto, and the links will be in the description comment down below as well. And if you want to come and discuss with me, talk to me how I made profits for the past 5 days over 3,000, and let's say 10 trading days. We have 10 trading days right now, right? So let's say I started from 1st to 14. How much did I make? 5,437. Yeah, if you want to make something like this, like me, you can have a call with me. The link's gonna be in the description and down below as well. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.